Before concluding, let me refer you to some findings in the 2018 International Arbitration Survey. Most parties feel they have enough information to make informed choices about arbitrator appointment, whether through publicly available information, word of mouth, or internal colleagues. However, they demand more access to the arbitrator's previous awards, as well as more information about the arbitrator's availability.
And the IPA rules reflect the general principle that we discussed in our first slide. The tribunal has the discretion here to determine admissibility, relevance, materiality, and weight of evidence. So again, we're giving effect to the general principle, tribunal discretion. But the IPA rules go a little further. The IPA rules tell us in Article 9, a series of categories where evidence may be excluded by a tribunal. Now, these are headings. They don't give specifics, and they can't give specifics because the guidelines are intended to be universal.
So here we've got this step clause. So the first step is negotiation. Now, some of these negotiation clauses can be very complicated. What you don't want to have is that first the four men will negotiate, then it'll be a middle manager, then a senior manager, then a CEO, because it just gets things way too complicated. And you also want to have a time limit on it. So when you're using multiple modes of ADR in the same contract, in the same clause, you want to also put time limits on it. The parties can always agree to go beyond that, but you don't want the process to go on forever. And the ICC also has different clauses, as do all institutions virtually, that you can pick and choose from. So here they're going to have the parties refer to the dispute under the ICC mediation rules if negotiation fails. Now, you could also just have general mediation, but it is better, especially in international disputes, to have rules of an institution.